Listen and repeat. A. Angry. Bottom. Challenge. Extreme. Note. Reason. Riddle. Various. Top. Rap. To read out loud. B. Angry. An angry look, an angry face. To be angry with somebody for something. Dan was angry with his friends for breaking his model airplane. Bottom. The bottom of the sea, at the bottom of the page. The girl ran down to the bottom of the hill. Read what is written on the bottom of the box. Challenge. A challenge to fight, a challenge for somebody. Jane was bored with her job and felt she needed a new challenge. This new task is a real challenge for me. Extreme. In extreme danger. To have extreme views. Extreme cold. In the extreme south. They live in the extreme north of the country. Extremely foolish. Extremely kind. I'm extremely sorry about what has happened. Note. A note from Dad. To write somebody a note. We left them a note saying we'd be back around 10. Reason. A reason for something. What is a reason for going to London? The reason I'm going to London is that I want to. Riddle. A book of riddles. The answer to the riddle. To talk in riddles. Are you good at solving riddles? Stop talking in riddles and explain what is going on. Various. Various goods, various zones. His reasons for living were many and various. Top. At the top of the hill. At the top of the class. At the top of the page. We saw a house at the top of the hill. Wrap. To wrap something round oneself. To wrap something round something. To wrap something in something. We have just finished wrapping up Susie's birthday present. Keep the apples fresh by wrapping each one individually. To read out loud. Each child reads the text out loud.